Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy crityreacts, and today we're actually going to be showing you some little stuff. And what I'm trying to say is that I personally, record or created my own comedy content. And I don't know if I tried though, but I just want you guys to comment and let me see your comment in the comment box below. Tell me if I try or I should continue on this comedy. Honestly, let's see your comment, how you feel or what you think concerning this particular comedy of me. Do subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon and make sure you like and share this video to all your social media platforms. All right, guys, let's quickly dive into this funny comedy. Let's go.
Hey! Jesus!
Like, this comedy is actually funny though, but I think the end part is actually funny. The end part is actually funny. The carrots were about to eat. This is how people are watching the song.
Oh my
When I bought carrots for 10,000 naira and you expect me to throw it away after seeing all that. If you like, you use shit, wash them. I will still eat it. Eat it with no mercy.
Sit back and relax. Me, I like fine girls.
I'm really the born these days.
Is that laughter?
Officer, speedy.
Young man, you are under arrest.
Mozkoh, what's I do now? What's make you carry police car arrest me this early morning?
You this idiot.
Eh?
You message me for WhatsApp, say make me borrow you 2K. You say me about 2,000, I'll give you, they mad.
Nah, sir. Officer, what's my offense?
Your offense be say they send this young man here to go thief. For this hard economy, how you want me to take 2K, send give you?
Tell me.
Young man, you're a criminal. Yeah. Even we where they stand for checkpoint, they do like this. For we see 2K. Move it, my friend.
You move. Mozkoh. What you mean tell me say you no get money? I take get money to pay 2 full officer with uniform to arrest me.
Officer, you know then this arrest now on credit. If they won't bill me, you just join the money together, me they pay am for them.
They play.
Alright. Move in.
Jesus. Credit.
And moreover, self, my WhatsApp dey disappearing mood. The message don't disappear.
Jesus.
So no evidence. Leave my shirt.
You can be no evidence.
Yes.
Wait, but you message me say make I borrow you 2K. I be yes or no?
Yes.
Now that yes I need. Officer, arrest this idiot. Wait. Wait for even see data message me. I take come online. She be say no get money.
Now person your spot I take his message.
Who be the person on no spot for you? 12 na go sleep side today.
No, leave. Arrest only me. Now my elder brother, arrest only me.
Now you hear that, brother?
Yes.
You know say na your elder brother go come bail am later. Now he go pay for all the money. So
No! I don't agree. But you, the person who for you, all of them go sleep on station today. I go break a matter.
Jeffrey, you know go calm down. Now you're 2K. I mean, you don't forget now credit arrest to come do.
Jeffrey, calm down now. I'm my guy because as me you arrest and I see my blood. Mo go station.
Why is Mozkoh talking as if he wanted to cry? Like, I need to understand. I mean, I say, why is he talking like that? What kind of voice is this? This guy is good, sharp. Well, that is how he does his own comedy.
Who be that?
Hilarious. Let's see, escape.
my guy.
I mean,
How you been now?
How you doing now?
I do.
This one when you come see me today.
Now Premier League I can't watch you. I do.
At yourself. They go soon start.
Hey, I go say I never late come. Madam, how you been now?
Talkless, welcome.
Okay. See women, see what they watch.
Now so they do it happen like that.
And so my brother put on to sports. I beg I they come.
We are now. Hey, Premier League don't start. I do.
We just pray.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
What is this now? What is this?
God have mercy. Only leave this
Leave
remote.
this thing.
Big brother Nigeria.
Premier League or not.
people are fighting.
Leave this thing.
What do you expect?
Run, no. Leave this
Leave
thing.
this remote.
Leave this thing.
Jesus,
That's the best. Okay, so where they go now?
My guy, now Premier League I watch for here, but now Family League I dey watch like this. Now don't even go wear jersey. Where they go before they go turn me to referee? I do.
Leave
Only
this.
leave.
Now, what turn me to enemy? You people are fighting when you see me. At the end of the day, I'll become the enemy. Will not try. I will leave you people to fight, and I will come back.
You make my teacher.
Babe, why are you eating that food? It's bad.
So I should throw it away.
Yes, throw it away. It's not good now.
Huh?
Babe, I can't throw it away. What will I not eat?
Don't eat it. It's bad.
Me, I can't do. I can't waste this food.
I know the hear word. I get coconut head.
I know the word.
You think it's a joke?
I warned you. I told you not to eat that food.
Okay, so you did.
Okay, I'm going to send you money, okay? You get drugs.
Thank you.
Hello, vitamin C. Mommy,
Yeah?
Good afternoon,
Yeah?
sir.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Sir, please, I want to buy drugs.
What is wrong with you?
My stomach is paining me.
What did you eat?
Spot rice.
Jesus. What rice?
Please.
Are you sure this doctor
Take
knows
this
what
one. Still the same thing. So you take this one.
Please, how much is everything?
Just 400,000 naira.
400k. What that sickness?
What do you do? You know nothing at Tinubu regime with everything on cost.
Now wow.
Don't hear her now.
Some people too do.
I'll leave you now.
No.
Know what they chop.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Chairman, I know buy again.
May God keep us alive.
Even the sickness obey. Even the sickness pity the guy. Because you cannot spend such amount on me now. Just sickness. Sickness, go let me be healed. Nasty Blaq and Machala on this one. This one is super.
I told you. I cannot do that container for 250 million naira. Come on, you live here. Say, listen to me. I can't do it. Bye bye. It's yours.
Machala only guy.
Oh baby. Why sent you 74 million for that your Range Rover now? I'm coming over soon, okay? Baby, I said I love you. Baby, I love you. No, I love you, mom. Chief, what's up? Snake just bite. Snake, Chief.
Oh my God, call your doctor.
Hello, Nasty, how are you?
Snake don't bite, Chief. Snake! I said snake don't bite, Chief.
Hold on. We are coming. Move.
Chief, help is on the way. Chief, help is on the way. Hello?
There's a problem. I'm in traffic.
Traffic? What you make I do now?
Where did the snake bite you?
Chief, Abe, where the snake bite you? Oh my God!
For nyash, grab that nyash and suck out the venom. Nasty, you have to suck that nyash.
Please don't let me die.
Make sure you inhale. And don't say, that is the son of Obi Kubana.
And I'm a son of nobody, but if you suck my nyash, make me suck my nyash.
I won't do that.
Do am.
That won't be the issue.
I'll give you
what?
$1 million.
I be hustling.
$1 million.
$100 million.
Current rate is now 1.5 billion naira.
Wonderful day.
What am I seeing? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. This guy.
Excuse me, sir. What's your advice for the youths that are still struggling to make it in life?
Well, I know that life sucks, but you just have to suck it.
Life sucks, and we just have to suck it. So you suck that thing and because of money next time.
Kikere,
What did they do for you?
When I want to explain it, my head headache me.
How we make it in Jesus' name? How we make it?
Agbadi kekere. Yeah, come. You are now set free.
Iyamo! Ah! Freedom at last, clear. How long will be anybody that say 16 years, stop counting. Stop playing freedom at last. Oh my God, I will see you later. Ah, thank you.
Now wow. Be fast. Hurry up.
Ah, take it.
Ah, Bakundozi.
So you later free.
If I tell you, I tell you I go make calm.
Kekere. You don't buy person again.
Some people don't do.
Now what happened with that? Pulofa.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run kúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ Ọlọ́run lágbára o tí mo ti ń ronú gbogbo ní ṣe ro gbogbo oko yìí Ọlọ́run sì mú ọ padà wá láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà nǹkan kọ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ a friend in need is a friend indeed roko ńlá kan kémi oroko ńlá ti títí tú àparí rẹ ọmọ ogun ìṣẹ́yà.
Ẹ jẹ́ kọ́lọ́pàá mú kọ́ lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n. Kọ́lọ́mọ ṣeré ń bẹ̀. Tó bá ṣeré ń bẹ̀ yẹ yóò ronú látọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n. Bí ó bá dẹ̀ ronú tó bá tún jáde yóò tó padà ẹ̀wọ̀n.
Do anything to that guy, just touch him on the chest and the guy just fell. Ha! Well, let's see Agent of Laughter, and I think this one is actually hilarious. This Agent of Laughter is always coming up with this kind of pattern of comedy, like always involving spirits, witches and wizards in his comedy. I don't know, maybe witches and wizards has actually just him so much. Like, so he decided to start acting the way they operate. I think this guy must have seen which one. Which one is this now? Which one is this? Half human being, half off. I think I've seen this kind of thing in Mortal Kombat. Montaro in Mortal Kombat. The guy used to use his tail to fight. Use his tail to fight and use his. I think it brings fire. We just do like this and pour fires out of his mouth. That is Motaro in Mortal Kombat. And
Sorry, the money I borrowed you to pay off earlier. Please, you said you'd give me later. Oh. I forgot. Oh, I remember. Okay. Put your account number here. Okay, I've sent it. Okay, sir. And sir, wait, I've missed your alert. Don't worry, you will see it. I know, just stay with me. I will see it. Jesus.
Check the app.
I don't have an app. I don't use this app. Just wait, sir. Relax. This is the receipt. That's for you. Let me wait for the relax. Just wait. Haven't you seen it? Okay, sir, relax. Let me call customer care. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, this is Mr. Prince speaking.
All right, go on.
So, someone sent me some money, and since like 4 hours now, I've not seen the alert. I don't understand what's happening.
How much is it, sir?
It's 550 naira.
I don't make you calls. Okay, the money in your account will not get sent to the single sky alert. Every day night they send to 250, 300. I can't go block your account.
No, wow. Some people that do
I like fine girls. The ones where they wear short skirts.
Short skirts. Me, I wear short skirts too. I be Arab style.
Nah, guy, man. What thing they happen now? See, we have been trying to reach Ira Star. In communicado, we have not reached her yet. Guy, man, if me and Ira Star do video like this song don't blow now. I don't tell you, say make you try find a way to reach Don Jazzy. We are on it. We have not reached. We have to proceed with the promotion. So I find somebody that look exactly like Ira Star. You get somebody will be like Ira Star. Carbon copy. Bring them, make we do some. Once he enter the video, he go blow.
Is this the Arasta they are talking about?
Now, which kind of nonsense be this one now? A manager. If not like this, where Banky W take manage which kid? You know, say people for the ask say which kid is this? What be this? Or if not like this, where Don Jazzy take manage one day cool. The guy career for cool now. What kind? I say make you find her a star. You go bring her a sunshine. What's going on here? This guy, I swear to Almighty God, if not like this, one do I'm gonna go feel blow. Come, make I ask you one question. Okay. For the music, you know here when I talk, say fine girl here, melanin pop. What you want pop for here? The only thing where this one feel pop now maybe popcorn. Yeah! If not the shape, she get them. Auntie Kilo Day. I get idea.
Fine girl, like it. Fine girl, yeah.
Are you thinking what I am thinking? Okay. At least something go pop.
Jesus.
Well, I don't go to tele. Fine girl, you are melanin pop.
They have actually made him a black character.
What is it now?
You don't die poison chopo. Now poison.
Neighbor. Neighbor. I don't believe that updates now. What did they do now? You the shop price. You did. I need to toss. I know to give you updates. I won't give you updates like this. You sleep.
You just
I'm
say
going to
to
tell you about
someone
papers. So
eating
they
what
offer sure hold and best on your favorite matches. You go see like 150,000.
you didn't even confirm that person is still alive.
You get talking.
You are eating.
For people also be say you feel withdraw.
If that food is so good, you don't think that person would have finished it.
Modify. Can withdraw and deposit dey convenience well. If you go the link where they might buy all my conversation to register. If you even use my promo code RAF, they will give you like 150,000
buy you one day.
I go to shop this one now.
Look at.
You don't die.
I go soon die. I go see now.
I don't see him. Wait. You know, where you take all this money? Because I know I'm selling you money. We take off from Benin. Call it this Lagos. I take this money.
Are you not sharp now?
Which one are not sharp?
I be agent.
Agent. That one has small money now. I go the rent house. All those have small money. Agent not give better money now.
At the same house.
Hey!
The same house.
You dey ask me?
How you tell it one?
Let's have it.
Very easy. Now they ask me this.
Is this the house?
Yes.
Okay.
120k but 300.
Hey!
100k is too much. It's 90. I wait now. You not sure? Oh yeah, let me send it to you. Add charges.
How many 100k house you want to see? They become big boy for Lagos. Small now.
I just said duplex for Island.
Hey!
Hello? Where you there now? I did that for 60 million. 4 bedroom, 6 toilets, 3 kitchen.
Hey!
Is it a play? Oh, I don't see you. Now with a delay person. Hello? You want to see the house of 60 toilets?
But you won't buy house of 50 million, 100 million. You know, give a documents.
Document there now.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
So now the VI. Yes. So now the Banana Island. Where the coin you now? I bet pretend that one I did important so I come and climb the coin in the evening.
Hey!
Smell though.
Wow. Umo, you plan on this Lagos.
Because of this kind of people, right?
But wait,
for one night.
document na fake. The house not be your own. What if they catch you?
How they want to catch me? Okay, receive. Okay, enter your house.
Thank you very, very much. Yes. Why did you cover your face?
No, now our brand. Now what we do? Enter your house.
Okay. You are under arrest for impersonation and selling of government property.
Officer, this is my land now.
Who's that? You don't create with thief. What can I be doing? Come here.
You the rush. You nearly shoot me. Take.
No 1.5.
Hello?
2,000 now.
You don't see the house.
Hey, they were. Umo, you smart die.
Play.
Now this Lagos is stuff for sense.
Are you the Lagos they can't bridge now? Very soon, they sleep there. Hello? You did that mansion with 16 rooms? Hey! Come on.
I'll follow you now.
Yeah, where should we go?
Now you know you're shed now.
Sorry, big my life. Let's go.
Sense.
Okay, receive.
Okay.
What about the kill of the house? Yeah.
Hear what the guy talk.
I hear him. I do like say I'm not here. The police are they wait for.
Why they delay now?
I don't know.
Hey!
Keep the guy busy.
So you are the one using this young man to impersonate the police? To be selling fake houses?
Oh, officer. So this house is fake. I need a refund. I need a refund.
That one. Since why don't that work? Why be saying that when you join me, let them catch us? Yes.
You're learning work, and you didn't follow him to run. You think maybe the guy thinks it's a normal plan as usual. But this one
Oh man, I'm active. Oh man, I'm active.
Anybody with the same money no be bring happiness. Now God go punish that person. See me now, come to my dollar money boy. $7,000 million pounds. No yawa komodia. Why do? Oh man, I'm active.
Hello,
Yeah,
good evening.
Who are you, young man?
Yeah, I'm going to number 12, Emilodo Street.
Okay. You're looking for number 12, Emulade Street.
Yes. I don't know if you can help me.
We just
You are looking for number 12, Emulade Street. Now you can't dress like this. You can't look very, very dirty and unclean with your long dada hair. My friend, please get out of this place. Don't disturb my calculation, please.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Please go. Get out. Get out. Nonsense.
I don't want peace.
This man gave Benzo. But I say this man won't just whine me. No being get that Benz. He won't whine me, but I know go panic.
Oh, yeah.
Voila. I love this Aboki guy. He's very hilarious and the way he talks. And he's indeed an Aboki man. Let's see the next one
This
from
is
Aboki.
me, Najali baby. Dollar money boy. As you can see, this one a
Money
dollar.
is
Anybody will say money no people happiness. Now God go punish you. You wait to say money is not everything. Nothing now go fire you. God punish you. See right now, I'm very happy. Showing my tattoo teeth.
So I'll see you at lectures tomorrow, okay?
Voila.
Sure, bye-bye. Jehovah, Udini Ekesi.
5 years.
You guys crazy, very crazy.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Atonume, what are you taking? What are you smoking that's making you thinking all this kind
My
of
darlings,
pattern, eh?
welcome to Millennials on Podcast. Mommy, before we start, I want to appease you so you not be angry today, eh? Take. Kuli? Yes, ma. It's heritage snacking today. Thank you. Sweet Jensies, we're having a Fanta 4 moment. It's Fanta 4 Friday today. Sweet Jensies, you are enjoying you. Thank you. And it goes so well with Kuli Kuli. Best combination for heritage snacking. Mommy, let's dive into the question for the day. Should you talk to your ex when you're in a relationship? What is your ex? An alphabet? No, ma. Somebody you were in a relationship with that you were dating before. What follows sex? Why? So why will you go back? Wait, let me ask you a question. Where do you stay? I stay in Ikorodu. Good. You look like it. Now, if God blesses you and you leave your face me and face to apartment in Ikorodu. Oh no, mommy, I do not stay in. You leave your face me and face you in Ikorodu and it moves you to Ikoyi. Will you go and be second or Ikorodu? Will you go back? No, ma. I cannot go back to Ikorodu. You are no longer attached to Ikorodu, no, ma. Exactly! A dog will go back to its own vomit. So does a fool. Don't go back.
I dey come meet you for your house.
My brother, no, they use power. You want spoil the job?
I dey come meet you now. Which of you? I want
They come meet me for my house. Shopee. My brother, go ask of Aboki. 1982. I win now. He cried go ask. He not great.
Now Bobby matter. You know how many children I get? Now draft I take trade and go school. They talk of Aboki. I beg you plug me.
You will collect money for Lapo. You won't lie for me. Like say, don't be me and you go there. You not do anything.
Now draft.
You not do anything.
You don't catch me, my friend.
I don't say you don't catch
Your
you.
phone dey ring o.
Now my pastor.
Eh?
You know say they give me treasurer.
Wow.
Since they give me, I never rest.
Congratulations.
I don't work for God. My brother church get money.
They get money on that today, you know.
My brother, no fuck with them.
I better not they distract you. The phone that they ring again. Sure. You pick this call. They disturb the game.
I don't put that for flight mode. No verse.
Better.
We will enjoy ourselves. Not the shot.
If like you get visitor. Now your just secretary be that.
Secretary find me come as again. Which kind of waiting.
Chief, good afternoon. Afternoon. We don't call you tired, you know the pick call, Chief. Pastor don't call you, you know the pick. Two, since on Sunday when we give you money, Chief, we never see you for church. Today you not come church. Two, Pastor say the money where they give you, you support PM enter church at last week Monday. You not PM.
Okay. My papa no way.
You not PM, they let Pastor they disturb me.
My papa no way. Mona no verse.
Pastor say no need, say me you not pay the money again. Say me you give me my user, take pay workers when they work on church. I let her come here.
No wahala.
You don't even let my phone off. Say I call you. I don't borrow power bank. Chief,
secretary no verse. You know say the money huge. No worry, I go come myself. Tell pastor say I dey come now like this.
Mad they go.
They go now.
And you know give me the money, mad they go.
They go. Tell pastor say I dey come.
Okay, yeah. We dey wait on you for church.
No problem. Which kind matter be your own? I don't even think say my pa no way. You know don't even think about my side. My brother. They go. I not trust how we fit continue this game.
Where is he going to now? Tell me where is he going to?
Now what? Papa Rukky.
Where is he going to? Don't tell me this man is actually running away.
My brother, you don't boss o. Wait till boss. Money where they give me for church last week Sunday as the treasurer. Say make I go deposit am for bank. I could say my church never want use the money. You know say my building. It don't need anything. That just proper put. Hope it say before they go need the money. I go give them back. Now my money now. What I want to follow? Not to chabo.
So you don't chop the money like they talk so. Now what? They really say they know they give rat fish. Oh,
I not blame you.
Small money when they give you now, so you don't chop am. Sure.
Momo. Chief, don't run, no. Don't carry church money, run. And oh my God, why would you invest in? Why would you put that money in the church? When you the money they give you to hold it for them.
Madam, articulate and bountiful salutation to you.
Okay. Welcome. What do you want by?
Thank you very much. You know, I've been eclipsed with a lot of impecuniosity, destitution, privation, and peckish and revenues. I decided to galvanize to this your gentle and decorous emporium to purchase some nuts and drugs.
Okay, I don't get time for this your grammar. Go straight to the point. What do you want by?
Okay, it's okay. Please, I need a cannikin of dried and granulated tapioca extract, 3 cubes of evaporated and crystallized monosaccharides, and 1 sachet of Arachis apogia.
I see say you no get what you want buy. When you're ready to buy something, you come back.
Okay, come. Sorry. Please, I need 1 cup of garri and
sugar 15 naira, groundnut 100 naira. Now I know now. Now what do you always buy?
It's okay.
That's why
Very fast, very quick.
Very good. Because you want to buy garri.
Very nice and considerate.
You are broke and proud.
We are in business. We are in business now.
But madam, the thing is, I'm buying it under overdraft and debenture.
What does that one mean?
That means it's loan. I'll pay you this weekend.
Jesus.
Why are you pouring my tapioca extract now?
Oga, don't warn you. Make you know they call you, they come buy credit from my hand. I never warn you. I better come off my shop.
But I told you I will pay. I always meet up with payment now.
Oga, no they say. I no sell credit again.
Madam, one buy bread. What's happening now? Why not the quarrel?
Oga, see me see this man. Every time they come here, they come buy credit from my hand. I say I no want sell today. You want turn am to quarrel. Wait till me this one now.
My brother, can you believe this is my customer? I've been purchasing things from this emporium for a month of Sundays and donkey years. And I always meet up with payment. And I just told her to give me just a cannikin of granulated tapioca extra, 3 cubes of distilled and evaporated crystallized monosaccharide, and 1 sachet of Arakis apogia. So just 1 cup of gari and just granite. Just 250. I told her I would pay and she.
250 naira. Put it on my bill. I will pay.
Jesus. God bless you, sir.
You get low.
The Lord has done
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Wow, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look concretudinous. What is a place like this doing in a girl like you? Sorry, what's a girl like you doing in a place like this?
I came to buy something.
Oh, okay. Actually, I'm Professor by titles, an academic juggernaut, one of the top Homo sapiens in this locus. I love concretudinous girls like you. I actually came to purchase a property around there before I saw you. Let me not waste your time. You know what? I'd like to get your number so that later in this evening, I will just take you around the city and spend some money on you.
Customer, see your gari and granite.
What's the meaning of this rubbish? Gari and granite. Who? Do I look like somebody that drinks gari? Are you okay? My friend, take this rubbish from my face.
You come here to buy gari and granite now. Which one you call the? This man don't pay for you already.
Me buy gari and you see, these are the embarrassment. This is the first time I'm coming in this area. I've never been in this area before. And you, who is buying gari? These are embarrassed people. Take this gari from my face. I don't know what I've never taken gari in my life.
Bros, maybe you want buy gari for you when you thought so you no get money. We are telling you I go pay for you.
Me buy gari? Why are you lying now? Are you the one that will pay for me or I'm the one that will pay for you? My friend, come on, leave this place. You see, this is how they embarrass me.
Madam, I'm not going to pay for gari again. Give me my change. Thank you.
Okay, now since you know what, make a drop and back.
No problem. I beg, bring nagari and granite have been one by itself. Thank you.
Angel, you drink gari?
Why not go drink gari? Country don't hard now. Nagari then they drink now.
Okay, now I'll see you later.
It's okay, I'll see you around.
Fine girls drink gari too.
Man, they never leave me.
Madam, please, a minute.
Okay, waiting happen again.
I'm so sorry. You know, I was just joking. Sometimes, you know, this fake life. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. Please, quickly package the gari and granite for me. Let me go. Now that she have left.
Which gari? The man don't pay the money again. She say no want.
Jesus. He didn't pay. Okay, you know what? Just package it for me. This weekend, I'll give it to you.
See, if you don't come off my shop now, we'll carry this gari bath you for face now.
Gaga to one gaga.
Iron teeth! Yes, sir! How many you don't flog us?
3,019, sir.
Make it 3,000 times.
Okay, sir. No. Make it 4,000. Round finger.
Yeah. Say you're a content creator. You want to come and create content on top of my daughter.
And the thing is untouchable.
We will touch you.
Young man, you said you are here to ask of my
daughter's
hand in marriage.
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
Well, actually.
Hey! He said actually. Continue.
I work in ShopRite.
As what?
Sir, by the head you will know. I am the head of department, sir.
What sort of head is this?
You are an upgraded sis boy.
Hey!
Papo!
No, head of department, sir.
You will see head into this. Take one off! Add him up. Wait. Buluku!
Yes, sir.
Cock the big head.
That sound of the knock. It sounds
You are here to ask of my daughter's hand in marriage. What do you do for a living?
I'm a cosmetologist, sir.
Cosme what?
Cosmetologist.
What is cosmetology?
I'm a barber, sir.
A professional barber, sir. Now even my money I take sponsor and go Barbados to learn barberhood.
Buluku!
Buluku!
Carry and go Rumusi. Okay, shoot her.
Hakara.
You don't have to shoot him.
You can't do that to my only son. You did grace.
Why you go bomb Baba? Yes, you bomb Baba.
For this economy.
Take one off. Carry the papa, make it flog the mama. 6,000 each.
Morning Baba.
And you, what do you do for a living?
Daddy, please take it easy on him. He's the one I love.
I work in the embassy, sir.
This is the kind of feel I'm looking for.
But I don't think I can continue with this marriage anymore. Look at the way you are treating the guests. No. It is for your
What's wrong with you?
Something better about our daughter. You are something better. Bring food. Come and entertain me, Lord.
Don't need to pay bride price. All you need to do now to just do visa for all of us, for our family.
Our extended family as well.
Yes.
Now 2 visas you go do.
Me fair do one. Oh yeah, do 2, America and Joburg.
No, not be that department I did.
And which department is it?
Oh yeah, explain now. You say you work for embassy.
I'm a clearing and forwarding agent.
What do you clear for embassy?
But other people carry load of loads, you know, that be clearing and forwarding.
You mentioned embassy.
Now allow bad the work.
Now the street name be embassy.
So you be Abel.
Well, on a layman terms. But I promise you, wallahi, I'll take care of your child.
Agberu.
Some of you are just evil.
You go to Washington.
-1 idiot. You allow us keep Baba. Think you say you be better person. You don't knock my daughter.
We don't do 1 or 2.
Look! Pray to God. 1 each for a boss.
Sir, it never reached like that we can talk this over. That's what I need for you.
After the commander, you let go touch you. Commander.
Excuse me, sir.
Don't spray things.
Hey, Carol, sir.
I can't kill you there.
Hey, Carol.
You say don't do 1 or 2.
I can't kill you there.
Do 1 or 2 with it. You go tell her to God.
What have I done?
Open our receiver.
They have actually busted everything. I will bring the remaining, let me fry it as egg. I have bread that I've not touched. I want to use it to eat the bread.
LV, you're the richest idiot.
Bro, I don't even need all the video or the see about all these things na normal life things. You want make money, they keep dread. Add the money want to enter your soul. Baba, I don't low court. Don't you there? See now why this guy go poor? Not this guy is swear, but this guy you know go make him. See the way they press phone. Baba, see, if you don't notice where rich people they gather, now like this they press phone. They know they wear bags, they turn them upside down. Now why we say all those people they do interviews, they do who am I here with?
Oh, that's why they say they will don't photo.
I know one moment that they feel say maybe that because I get the money, I just say anything why they talk, you understand? Because they look, see how this guy think it make money. So we will point anyhow. See the difference between rich people and poor people. One see the one understand, one see the way they stand. If rich people they talk, you go just like say they be proud of their wealth. They proud of their wealth. See, Alpha, the way they breathe now, you don't feel that succeed. That one go far, bro. But I won't get money, say you know go believe me, you ain't get money. That's why I tell you, it makes sense. You go believe me, the way they breathe, if you succeed, let me bend.
The way somebody breathes. How can you breathe? How does breathing and breathing and
relate?
Come out from that place! Come out from this house!
I want problems always.
You dey carry me dey play, abi?
Sister.
Okay, where is your neighbor?
I never see this my neighbor for over 1 week now.
You never see me no day. Person when me with and just see the other day, he say he no day. No worry, they carry me dey play. No wahala. After when you dey owe me, no one give me that money. No wahala. Go sit down here and wait for you. You can come meet me for here. Okay.
My life is too dangerous.
Sister, you no go like and wait for them for inside my house.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Just like that.
go. Yeah, you know say you dey wrong go. I don't find you up and down, you need a grip pick up. Because of that small money where you dey hold me. In fact, not be that money carry me come here. Oh. I just say make I can't tell you. Because of the good person where I be. Because of the godliness in me. Now I say make I can't tell you. I just find that say person where carry me last week before you carry me get HIV. So I say make I can't tell you, say make you go treat yourself. As for me, I don't already get 3 children. So death no they fear me. Even though say I die throw away, nothing concern me. As for you, now when you dey early for you, go find hospital, go they treat yourself. Rubbish. Me waiting concern me. If I die, make I die throw away. I don't now today I start to carry sickness. If you touch me, now today I start to carry sickness. I don't carry gonorrhea, syphilis. Which one again? Which one remain? Now HIV. I know they feel all those things. So.
It's a lie. Nah lie. It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Why am I wanting Sabi get kill leg now? How?
Which has got?
Okay, no.
Too easy.
Honey! Honey, come out though!
Yeah,
come out!
Are you be the best when they fix the light back? Mark this my face, the man is a bad man. I swear to God.
Are you stupid?
Call me stupid man. I just cut light, you go fix her back, and you're a lawyer. A person of the law. They go against the law.
So now you they cut my lights, is that this why?
Nah, him. Thank God I catch him today.
Don't worry,
you catch me.
I catch you today.
You never play like me before. You catch me.
What are you talking? We know.
See, don't insult my wife. Don't insult my wife, okay? Come here.
Okay, I'm not dragging you.
You are dragging me. Okay. You know go lock the gate.
I don't lock him.
You are enter problem. Come here.
If anything happen to me, this full street no go get lights. Don't happen for Alaja before. Alaja beat my colleague. We not give the light for 28 years. Alaja don't use light. Okay,
this way, eh? You don't go carry this one today.
See, you get my Daniel, come out. David,
God have mercy upon us.
Damn you! Oh, come on. Abu, all of you. Daniel, everybody come out. How can a stupid lawyer cut a person? When they you fix straight? Say I
God have mercy.
See, this one, I go use you as a scapegoat. You just stupid.
I just tell you something. Don't be you are the look. Don't be you are the look. Make it not be say, oh, people will hear the matter. We say SK is a bad person. That's no conscience as a human being. Now this small pikin so now just the look. Not be this small pikin this is so this small fine girl and the fine boy. I for meet you. I swear, all of them will sleep darkness.
Me, I swear, if we sleep, if you put all my family,
why is he looking like that?
Sleep inside that. Well, let all your family.
Come on, SK, stop looking like that.
You are stupid. You don't know where you got. God fix my life. Are you stupid?
God fix our life, Joe.
See, you think say
you is outside actually, you know,
nonsense, man.
Trying to contend with him.
Inside room,
I'm trying to contend with him, and SK, I think SK is in a very big trouble. Like, he went to cut a lawyer light. You don't have fear. This one is from Mr. Six. Let's see how it goes though, but I think it's very hilarious.
Hello? What? It's in the car, I'm coming. It's in the car, come right now.
Micha, gate, go your way. You don't know if that guy is coming back to eat his food. You are observing him to go first before you carry out your bad, evil intention. Before you carry out it. Carry out it. What am I saying?
Mommy,
Sir, do you know this man?
I don't know anybody.
You just saw it in our CCTV camera and I just poisoned your food.
No be you I want poison. Na the girl wey buy this food, na I want poison. They send me I can't do my work and I don't deliver my job.
It's finished. Eating people's food that you don't know anything about them. What would you have done? Exactly the same thing. You eat the meat or you don't eat the meat or it's still the same thing. You're still going to buy. So it's better for you to just enjoy it before you buy. I think it took the right step before you buy. Oh my god. What's going on here? This is a bad song.
Jesus! Rema!
Now lie.
Rema!
They play.
What? Bros, I greet you. I greet you, boss. I'm a huge fan. Bros, please, can I take a picture with you?
Now, madam, who are you?
Just take a picture with her. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I can't believe my eyes. Wait, bros, wait. Rema, wait. Why are you guys fighting now? When are they fight?
Nobody is just ain't coming for show. I go there, perform finish, sing all my song, see everywhere people they shout. You need time to give my money. He say no go give my money.
Who go see them at? Thunder
fire. Just give them the money, make peace straight.
I no go pay. And then they give you shishi.
Shishi.
I did that.
Wait. How much be the money?
When he call me for the show, I tell him 12K.
Okay.
He come price me 7K. After much argument, we went for 9K. Now give me my money, no problem.
9K euros, dollars or pounds?
Because now naira we dey use now.
What? 9K at 9,000 naira.
Man, give me like that.
9,000 Rema. You should have the Rema.
I no go pay. See this idiot. I see him online. Look like Rema. They like real Rema. I carry this guy go show. This guy they perform. People know they clap. I go say what thing they happen? After the show, the idiot come meet me say make I pay money. Why I go pay? Wait, where spoil my show? See this guy. Is it when they perform? People know they feel my vibe. I don't think. I don't think Ozeba. Then clap. I don't think one. Then laugh. I even think calm down. This guy they do nothing.
Which one is one?
Okay, you just give her the money, make peace rain now.
Okay, I no go give her shishi.
Rema. Okay, give her now, make him go now.
I no go give her. This guy spoil my show.
Who are you, Rema? Say now you singer, young man. When I go show the iron way inside you now. Yeah, don't go.
You see, I go show you that baby boy.
I just delete this picture so if I snap with this 9,000 naira Rema.
I swear, let me tell you people. I will not tell that you people will not go down.
So the real Rema is dollars Rema. This one is naira Rema. I mean 9,000 naira Rema for that matter. Who is going to clap for you?
1, 2, 3, action! Cut!
Yes, you have started.
I said you should say Paribos is the best betting platform. They also have casino games like Crash and Aviator. If you use the promo code C, you get 750,000 naira and 150 free spins. And it's also easy to use.
Okay.
Then after that, you join your heads together and find the question. Are you ready? Now, go! Now, cut!
Which one is not cut? I didn't hear what they said though. I didn't hear anything. When you finally catch that one, was the food seller in the food. Is it a song?
Some people then to do.
Funny, do you have like iPhone charger?
Oh, sorry. I use an iPhone 15.
Jaya, you Jaya 15. What I feel like? iPhone 15.
Give them opportunity, they will take more. No money at all in anywhere.
Wetin dey happen? I don't understand. Where my money? All this drama where you dey ask, I don't understand. Where my money? The money na 7,000. Pay cash or transfer? If you get POS, transfer day. If you get cash, give me cash. I get customer to attend to. Make my money ready before I come back.
Wizzy, what is wrong with you? I am. Who is going to say?
Tó bá ní 1,000 lọ́wọ́, tó bá mú 1,000 tó fi ṣe oore, Ọlọ́run á wá san oore míì fún ẹ. Ebi á lu ayé ẹ fọ́. Má gba irú kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn gbọ́. Ẹni tó bá ní agbára ló máa ń ṣe oore. Bíbélì sọ̀rọ̀.
Madam, how much does I owe you?
I got my money na 7,000.
And you come here, you make noise, they sharp my head.
Okay.
Collect your money.
Let's be this? Oga, if na play, don't follow me play that kind of play. I don't like am. I follow you talk.
Run, no.
Yeah.
As I tell you physically, that's why I tell you spiritually. You don't go anywhere.
This Ella is the most wickedest woman in this world.
There are so many betting
I've
platforms
already
in
known
Nigeria.
that it's
I
going to
choose
run
one
away
expert,
and
and I will tell you why. One
a
expert is the
ballon
biggest and the most famous betting
attached to
platform
it
all over the world.
to an
And it has
iron.
been there for over
Because
17 years. One
they have
expert
been
is
waiting
an
for him to
official
run,
partner with
and he actually
Barcelona
fell
and
for it.
PSG. One expert has license in Nigeria, and Davido is their ambassador. One expert gives highest coefficient amongst his competitors. You don't just win money on one expert. You can also win valuable
Voila.
prizes.
Babe, this is my problem with you. You don't tidy this room. Look at the condom I used since 2 days ago. It's still here.
Oh, babe, that's not yours. That's your father's own.
Yeah?
Nothing to do. Now, wow. And that is
I'm not sure she's still alive. Because how come? You are from seeing money by this thing. Wait. Bros, Chairman, I beg, no stress. I want ask you something. I beg.
What be that?
I beg, you dey see me.
I dey see you now. Don't believe me. This.
I tire.
I dey see you now.
You dey see me like this.
I dey see you now. Don't be you be this. I dey see you now.
See me. You dey see me.
handicap.
What? It's because you are enjoying. You don't
He said they're hungry, now you go that store, go buy garri. As you come out, come for ground. Since I dey wake up, you no gree wait.
Just like that. Because hey, Emma. Makonzi.
He died of eating too much garri. And he went to the hospital and
Wow.
Ataka. I thought I said I know they are alive again. Where my God? Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Which one is all right, thank you guys for watching this hilarious comedy, and I believe you enjoyed it. And if you're yet to subscribe on my channel, please subscribe. Do that now and turn on post notification bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get alert. We're actually going to dive into some reviews on this comedy compilation video. A lot of funny comedy compilation, reviews on this comedy. All right, let's quickly see mine. Because I actually want you guys to say something about my comedy. In this comedy, what I'm trying to depict is, when you bought carrot for 10,000 naira, and suddenly you saw or you see how that carrot is processed to make sure it looks like how it was or how it were when you bought it. Are you going to throw it away or are you going to eat it? Because so many people, like, they'll go to a restaurant, buy food. After buying that food, maybe they taste the food and they discover the food is not that delicious as they expected. All they'll do is just, madam, come, I don't want to eat this food. Take it away, and they will still pay the money, because you've already ordered it. You're not going to be refunded. You're not going to be refunded. So, in my own case, after buying carrot of 10,000 naira, and I was going on my own jejely, and I saw some group of people, like, let me say two persons bathing in the river, and I decided to join them because I want to be kind, and I share the carrot among them. After we were swimming before, during the time where we were swimming, the other guy saw something. I draw my attention to it. See carrots when you buy, come see as they take the make them. And I was like, oh, we were like, oh, is this, yeah, using their leg to wash carrots. Imagine stepping on that carrot. And I was like, this is how we're going to throw it away. I know you all expected me to throw them away. But at the end of the day, I was like, grum, and I love the crunching sound. I love the crunching sound. That's for that. And I just want you guys to comment. Let me know if I tried or I don't try or I didn't try. Let me know if I try or I didn't try. Let me know in the comment below. And if you want me to keep doing more, give me ideas. Give me ideas. I really need your opinion as it stands now. I need your opinion. That's for that. And let's talk about, this last comedy of, Imakonzi. This guy's comedy, I always put it at the end because it's very long. And I think this particular one is actually hilarious. It's hilarious. The guy knew that he cannot be eating chicken while being alive. The guy knew he cannot be eating chicken while alive. Because he was so poor. It is only when he's no more that he can eat that chicken. And actually, it was already far gone, ordering food in the spirit world. When they poured water on him, he realized that he has gone before. I love that comedy. I love that comedy. Very hilarious one at that. Very hilarious one at that. And there are so many. The other one said, it is not your condom, it is your brother condom or somebody's condom. Forgetting that before it becomes somebody's condoms, a lot of things must have been done behind closed doors. She realized though, she realized everything and was like, F up. Why did I say that? Why did I say that? Or are we talking about this funny one? Should we wiper the wiper, the virus the wiper, the viper the wiper? That guy is something else. Sometimes I think to imagine that sometimes I began to imagine that wiper the viper takes the same smoke with this Anton Ume. The both of them usually do the same thing, because the way they act their comedy is something else. How did you think this kind of thing? If it's the one writing, if they are the one writing their script, and I really need to know what kind of thing they smoke before they write up this kind of script. Unimaginable script. Their comedy is actually nice and I love it. You must laugh after watching. You must laugh while watching. Anyone, you must laugh. You know what I mean. So, what is your take on this comedy compilation? Let me see. That favorite moment, that moment that treated you the most in my own comedy, in the one I created. Let me see the favorite moment that treated you the most. Let me see it in the comments. Let me see it in the comments. Let me see it in the comments. So guys, thank you for watching once again, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking around, supporting me, subscribing, watching and sharing my content. I will never take it for granted. I really appreciate you guys, and we're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. Do expect more banger from us, and don't touch the dial. All right, have a wonderful time. Peace out.